how can crypto security be improved? Well, guys, I'm going to give you all the information you need today on this video, but first, disclaimer.
Not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only.
So let's get straight in. So the crypto industry is diving into 2023 with some significant New Year resolutions. Now, following several collapses and market downturns the past year, blockchain advocates are reconsidering their priorities and changing tack in order to secure the industry's longevity. Regulation can be the cornerstone to this recovery and future successes of cryptocurrencies, offering security, reassuring customers, encouraging mainstream adoption, providing legitimacy, and ultimately rebuilding the industry's reputation. So what does crypto security mean? Okay, it's a component of communication security that deals with the creation of application of measures leading to secure ciphers and codes, which are actually used to protect encryption systems and methods from enemy discovery, decryption, interception, and tampering. The specialty area of communication security is tasked with ensuring that messages and data retain full, confidential, and authenticity. So as crypto trading becomes increasingly mainstream, our security team here at Coinbase, as you can see in this article, okay, they have actually been cyber criminals getting even more creative and persistent in their attempts to steal assets. So while that can sound a little scary at first, all right, the good news is that you could dramatically improve your digital security with just a few easy steps. Not only will this help you protect your funds on Coinbase, it can actually be applied to the rest of your digital life as well. When someone is able to log into one of your accounts to perform fraudulent activity, this is called an account takeover, an ATO. So for short, how does the fraudsters get into your account in the first place? One common method is called a SIM swap. In a SIM swap attack, fraudsters will actually contact your wireless carrier pretending to be you and persuade the customer service agent to redirect your cell service to a different device. So by changing the SIM card number associated with your account, hence the name of the attack, once they succeed, they are able to receive all calls and SMS messages sent to your phone number, including any two-factor authentication codes sent to you via SMS. Now from there, fraudulents will frequently pair those SMS 2FA codes with stolen passwords and try to log into your email accounts, social media profiles, cloud storage, Dropbox, or financial accounts like Coinbase and other different wallets. Coinbase actually do a lot of work behind the scenes to detect and try and stop SIM swap ATOs targeting their customers' accounts. They also believe that using SIM SMS-based two-factor authentication is better than running using none at all. That said, they do encourage everyone to follow the simple steps below and apply them to all accounts they care about, not just their Coinbase accounts. So go on this article, guys, coinbase.com, and follow all along with that link down below. So using two-factor authentication, okay, in addition to strong passwords where available, it should always be used. It's the strongest type of 2FA platform that allows ideally a YubiKey or similar hardware security key. So if a service provider doesn't allow a YubiKey, use or authenticate like Google Authentication or Dual Security instead of SMS based, it's not very fantastic. Okay, the SMS based 2FA is the only thing available. At the very least, require a one-time 2FA code to be sent to your device every time you log in. So someone can't access your account. If an organization doesn't offer you any of these options, consider not using that service. That's all you're getting from me today, guys. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.